We're going to trade. Let's see our signal first. Yeah. Our signal is Russell 3000, then sell. Okay. My time is Hong Kong time 07:27. Okay, let's go to the market, then stock index, then find Russell 3000 here, and then put your amount, and then click sell. Confirmation. See your order. We have 5 minutes left to close the trade. All you have to do is wait for the 5 minutes, and it will appear to your history after the trade. You may see profit in your history. Okay.
The incubation period to just a few minutes from the moment of contagion to the appearance of severe life-altering symptoms. It's been confirmed that the mode of transmission is through blood contact, especially as a result of subcutaneous wounds and bites, ruling out airborne transmission as a route of infection.
Grabe siya, oh.
Napanood ko na area.
Napanood mo na yan?
May pusa.
Hindi, porket may pusa laang eh.
We still have 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Ilan po? Ilan?
O ilan na rin.
4 na lang, Ari.
Wala akong
Bibili pa ako.
Nangingin pagkain ko nito.
Ilan niya? 32. Trade is very easy, guys, and the platform just started, so this is safe, still safe to invest. Try and trade with us. One minute. My place is so noisy.
May rapis nga ang daga. Pakain mo daga.
Wait.
Nalabas siya pag mga
Ano yan? Napanood ko na yan eh.
Hindi pa, iba nga yan.
Anong iba?
Paano, ikwento mo nga. Ano mayayari?
89 seconds.
Nagkagulo na sila. Ayaw na lang
Wait and wait.
Eh, paano yung pangalaan? Kulit. Mamaya na lang, baka tayo kamila. Ano? Mamaya na lang. Punta mo na.
33 seconds.
Ikaw ba naman nun eh, ilang araw na. Pinainaatan nila.
Our trade is near to end.
The announcement of a state of emergency has been accompanied by reports of incidents like the one at Vigo Airport, where a man was arrested after stealing a gun and threatening security forces, as well as reports of escalating riots in multiple locations. Meanwhile, we're still waiting for the president's address to the
Okay.
nation, where it is expected he will view
It's settled now.
the state of emergency is
Go to your wallet.
occurrence of the new variant is fake.
And now we have
Whether there will be any new travel restrictions
profit.
imposed to each citizen in place.
You can also see it in the history. We earned $5.86. Thank you guys.